But let's move on to the next level in this list. And this is artifacts. You might have noticed on the left side, I've hovered over it a few times now. Artifacts is kind of an interesting corner of Claude that allows you to do some pretty advanced things. Basically, you can make like full-blown apps and stuff like that. This could be like a video game over there. You could have it make a landing page. It can make graphical things. It's not just going to be a text or file output here. So you can make a new artifact if you wanted to. I'll show you the examples later, but let's say we want to make a game. Again, you're going to have that similar chat interface down here. You're still able to upload files and images and use skills and stuff like that when doing this. But let's just say, what kind of game are we doing? Again, it's going to prompt me here, and I could say something else. What kind of game? I'm going to look for a waffle running through the jungle. I don't know if you guys ever played that as a kid with whatever that waffle cereal was. It's a solo game, casual game, I guess. And you'll see that it should be doing a lot of coding on the back end. And this looks good. I'm just going to say, yep, looks good. And it'll start building it. And then you'll see on the right side, it'll pop up with the interface of what the game actually is. Yeah, all right, this is exactly what I wanted. Waffle Jungle Run. All right, so let's see what it does. I can jump. Nice, he's running. Oh, okay, so I'm not supposed to touch whatever that is, flying apple looking thing. Okay, cool. Now you can edit this, and essentially this is what an artifact is. You're able to build this kind of thing. We can copy it, so you're able to actually like copy the code. You can download a lot of these, so this is a TSX. You're gonna have different file types. You can have it generate an image or a website style, like a landing page. You can generate all kinds of things on the right side here. If I click on publish, you can publish the artifact. Yeah, sure. You can publish and copy the link. Now it's public and anyone can access this or whatever. So by the way, if we go back to artifacts, you'll see the other public ones. They could be your artifacts right here, ones you've made, but also inspiration ones. Some could be like life hacks, playing games, lots of different ones that you can kind of click on. And where's the sloth? You can click on them and I guess either modify them yourself, build on them, or just, I don't know, play around with them for fun. So that is a little bit of what artifacts are. They're kind of more like if you've seen like Base 44 or Lovable, it's a little bit in line with that, how you're able to generate things, except it's not going to like publish it as your website right away. It's going to allow you to take the code and put it somewhere else if you really wanted to.